Hello, I'm your host, Amberlyn Carroll. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Medwatch today. In the U.S., 1 in 2 women and 1 in 3 men will develop cancer during their lifetime. And one Valley couple knows firsthand that having cancer care close to home is crucial when you need it most. Chris Morse and his wife Michelle donated to the Community Cancer Institute in 2021 in honor of Chris's father, who passed from stage 4 lung cancer.
And it started with my pops, my dad when he had cancer. A lot of people get it, and unfortunately, it's an insidious disease. And every man, woman, and child in this world or in this country, you're going to know somebody. You're going to have a loved one, a family member, somebody you work with is going to be touched by this disease. And for us, it touched us a couple times.
6 months later, Chris was diagnosed with stage 4 throat cancer.
So when the doctor says you've got stage 4 cancer, it is kind of a shock. Well, not kind of, it is a shock. And you start thinking, what are we going to do? And but we switched real quick to the positive. That my doctor said it's very treatable.
Chris began treatment at Community Cancer Institute.
It really is a transformative piece of health care locally, and I can't say enough from a caregiver standpoint about being able to take your loved one to one place, even when it was 5 days a week. You're seeing the familiar faces, from the valet at the front of the entrance to the radiology techs. You just develop a relationship with those people and you're seeing them all the time.
And after 7 weeks of radiation and chemo, Chris was cancer-free.
We had a discussion about it. I said, once we beat this cancer, let's see what we can do to give back.
Chris and his wife, Michelle, donated again, this time to recognize the compassionate, state-of-the-art care Community Cancer Institute provides.
We pride ourselves on having the most up-to-date technology and the ability to get any type of chemotherapy or immunotherapy that patients need. Now with a gift like this, we can look towards the future and see what other types of technology and new and up-and-coming medical interventions that are available.
Chris and Michelle's generous $2.4 million donation helps community provide high-level care to locals close to home.
You can get in and out as fast as possible and get home to rest. And get home is, part of the key thing. You're not going back to a hotel because you're getting treatment in San Francisco or LA.
If they have to leave the valley to find it, then they leave their support systems. They leave their friends, their church, their family. They leave those who could also help them heal. And it comes from a grateful patient who has experienced it himself. He's one who knows exactly what this institute is capable of, but he also knows that there are so many more people out there in the valley that need top care, and they need it right here at home.